Meaning of enzyme.
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 Enzyme. An enzyme is a type of protein molecule that acts as a catalyst in biochemical reactions, helping to speed up the chemical processes that occur in living organisms. Enzymes play a key role in a wide range of biological processes, including digestion, metabolism, and cellular signaling. By accelerating the rates of chemical reactions in the body, enzymes help to maintain the delicate balance of biochemical processes that keep living organisms alive and functioning. Overall, enzymes are essential components of life at the molecular level, and they play a fundamental role in the functioning of all living things.